plasma membrane, complex 1, complex 2, complex 3, complex 4, NADH, FADH2, electrons, protons, ubiquinone, cytochrome C, ATP synthase, water, or H2O with electrons, ATP, ADP, and inorganic phosphate.
This video is to show the reaction of the electron transport chain. The process occurs across the inner membrane of the mitochondria. The matrix is at the bottom and the IMS, or the inner membrane space, is at the top. NADH and FADH2 have been reduced with electrons and protons prior to this process during the citric acid cycle. The electron transport chain is the last sequence of events for all of the energy-reducing cycles producing ATP and water, which finishes the process of metabolism.
NADH reduces complex 1 with 2 protons and 2 electrons. The 2 protons are taken from the matrix to the IMS. The ubiquinone carries the protons and electrons to complex 3, where the protons are moved to the IMS. FADH2 reduces complex 2 with 2 protons and 2 electrons, where ubiquinone carries both protons and electrons to complex 3. Then the protons are moved to the IMS. These 4 electrons are then transported one by one to complex 4 by cytochrome C. For each electron that is accepted into complex 4, a proton is moved to the IMS from the matrix. The 4 electrons combine with 4 protons and O2 to form water. The established proton gradient that has been produced is used to manufacture ATP. ATP synthase takes protons from the IMS and, as it rotates, moves them to the matrix. Every time 3 protons are pumped, an ATP is formed from ADP and inorganic phosphate. The catalytic reaction is perpetuated by the rotation of the protein. Now for a review of the electron transport chain.
Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom.